Okay, now let's say you're standing on top of type A 101, which happens to be on Jupiter. If I were to push you off type A 101, how long will it take for you to, well, to reach your death? Um, remember, you falling off a building is the same as it would be at the same you will fall at the same speed as me dropping a brick. So, for example, if I drop you and the brick at the same time, you will both hit the ground at the same time. So like if I drop you off here, after 1 second, you will both be around here. You and the brick will be here. After 2 seconds, you and the brick will be here. After 3 seconds, you and the brick will be at the same level. 4 seconds, be around here, blah, 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 blah. What I'm trying to say is you and the brick will fall at the same time. Okay? So, if I push you off type A 101, the height of the building is 509 meters. Gravity on Jupiter is 23.12. You can look up these figures on the internet. Okay. So how long will it take for you to reach your death? Remember, always start with the formula H equals GT squared over 2. Remember, we don't know how physicists manage to work this out. We just learn how to use this formula. So use this formula to find out how long it takes for you to reach the ground. Okay, so press pause and have a go. Okay, so we know, well, H is this. So let's put this into the H here. So this would be 509 equals GT squared over 2. We could put the G into here right now, but I'm going to leave it as G and then put it in right at the end. So now I'm going to times both sides by 2. You see what I mean when I say I leave it to the end regarding the gravity. So now I'm going to times both sides by 2. So it would be 1018. Okay, get this times 2, and then this times 2 would be would be GT squared. Okay, now we can visualize it as this times this. Now divide both sides by G. Okay, divide both sides by G. 1018 over G equals T squared. Now, we know gravity. Well, I looked this up on the internet, but we know gravity is 23.1 on Jupiter. So let's put that into the G. So it would be 10 blah 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 over 23.12. Remember, this is T squared. Now jump to a calculator. We are trying to work out this here. We're trying to work this bubble out here. So this would be T squared here. Hang on. So hang on, clear this. 1018, 1018 divided by 23.12 equals, let's say roughly 44. Okay, 44. Now square root both sides. So inside your mind, square root this side, square root this side will be T. Okay, so T is square root square root of 44. So now so this is our number here. So let's square root it. So now we're going to square root both sides. So it will be 6.6. Let's say roughly 6.6. So T equals 6.6. So if you go back to here, we've worked. So T here equals 6.6. So by using this formula here, because we know H, we know G, then we can work out T. There's only one thing that we don't know, which is T. So rearrange it to get t on its own, and t works out to be 6.6. Remember, seconds. Okay, h is always in meters, t is always in seconds. So if I were to push you off Taipei 101 on Jupiter, you will have 6.6 seconds left to live. Okay,